In a cozy little house at the edge of town lived the Greenleaf family. Mom, Dad, and their 2 children, Emily and Jack. One sunny morning, while exploring the attic, Jack stumbled upon an old wooden box. Inside were 5 unusual seeds, shimmering in different colors. There was no note or explanation, just the seeds. Intrigued, the family decided to plant them in their garden. They cleared a special spot and carefully planted the seeds, each child taking turns watering them. Little did they know, these seeds would soon bring magic into their lives. By the next morning, the seeds had sprouted into vibrant plants, each unlike any flower or tree the family had seen before. One plant glowed at night, lighting up their garden like a lantern, while another hummed softly as though it were singing. Emily and Jack were amazed. Every day they checked the plants and soon strange things began to happen. The plants seemed to grow overnight, some producing fruits that sparkled like stars. The children knew this was no ordinary garden. One day, as Emily and Jack played near the garden, they heard a soft voice coming from one of the tallest plants. It had grown into a small tree, and to their surprise it began to speak. The tree introduced itself as Willow, the guardian of the enchanted garden. "These plants are special," Willow explained, "and they are here to help you, but only if you care for them with love and kindness." The children promised to take great care of the garden, eager to see what more it would reveal. As the plants continued to grow, they started to show magical abilities. One vine could lift the children into the air like a swing, and another plant produced fruits that granted brief moments of super speed. The whole family began spending more time in the garden, each discovering something special. Mom and Dad found a plant that could heal small cuts and bruises, which they used after a day of gardening. The garden became a magical haven for the Greenleaf family, strengthening their bond through the wonders they experienced together. One evening a storm approached. The winds howled, and the trees swayed dangerously. The family rushed to protect their enchanted garden. As the storm raged, Willow the talking tree warned them, "The magic of this garden is connected to your family's love and care. If the garden is destroyed, so is its magic." Emily, Jack, and their parents worked together to cover the plants, shielding them from the storm. Despite their efforts, a branch of willow cracked under the strong winds. Worried, the family gathered around, determined to save their beloved garden. With the storm passing and the damage done, the family sat together, thinking of how to restore their garden. Willow, though weakened, spoke again. "The strength of this garden comes from your love for each other. If you nurture it with the same care you show one another, it will heal." The Greenleafs spent the next few days tending to the plants, working together as a family. Slowly but surely, the garden began to recover. New leaves sprouted and Willow's branch grew back. The garden's magic was restored, stronger than ever, because the family had shown that love and unity could overcome any challenge. From that day on, the enchanted garden became not only a place of magic, but a reminder to the Greenleaf family of the strength they had together.